Hey, it's VJ. I'm down at the Canadian Tire in Ajax and kicking off a new car show. Well, one I haven't seen before. Now, is this a kind of classics?
The only thing it doesn't come with a push baby.
Yeah.
Listen, you little fleet taxi. I said stop it. I gave you a ticket.
Yeah, so it's around 5 o'clock right now, and that's when the show starts on Saturdays.
Right.
I remember you from Shake, Rattle, and Roll.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That's you still got the old car, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Must be worth a fortune now, eh? Is that chamois just a prop, or does it actually do the trick? It does take it off, eh? Yeah. Oh, that's good. What year's is it? What's the Silver Streak? What is that?
Pontiac.
Pontiac. Okay. How long you had the car for?
It was my grandfather's car.
No kidding. It's been in the family that long time, eh?
I'm the second owner.
Wow.
Pontiac. The red Pontiac.
Yeah, there's
110 on that.
Yeah.
Is this your car? This Bel Air?
Yeah.
Beautiful car. How long you had it for?
25 years.
25 years, eh? Okay. So,
I don't like to let go of stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
40 years.
He said his wife for a few years.
Yeah, 40 years.
well, when you got a good thing, you hold on to it. Okay.
I did because she bought me a car after 7 days.
She bought you this car?
No, she bought me a 70 one.
Oh, okay. What year's the Bel Air?
60.
60. Beautiful car. Richard! So this is Richard's 1930 Ford. It's gorgeous.
People used to travel around town in these in the old days, right?
What year is it? 63?
Yeah.
63. Is this your Mustang? Is this your nice 64? Oh, 68. Okay.
64s are a little smaller.
Yeah.
Same shape and everything. Just a bit smaller.
You know, I had a chance to buy one of these in the 70s. I think it was $1,400, and it seemed ridiculous at the time. You know, and it had a little bit of rust on it. But yeah. How long have you had the car for?
44 years.
Wow.
I bought the car in 74.
Yeah, I talked to a guy who had a 68, and this is a couple of years ago, and I think it had a Thunderbird engine in it, 390.
390, yeah.
And I think he had it priced for 55 grand.
Is that right?
Yeah, it was nice, but I like the color scheme on this one.
Everybody tells me the same thing.
Yeah. Have you done the work yourself, or?
Yeah, me and my brother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
My brother-in-law's a mechanic, and I'm the gopher.
Oh, okay.
I can do something.
Yeah. Geez, not too many of these survived, eh?
No, not many at all.
What, early 70s? Early
75.
Wow. Gee, you got a ton of chrome on this one, eh?
It's all aluminum.
Oh, it's aluminum. Okay.
Polished by me.
Oh, okay. What make is it? Or what is it?
28 Ford.
28 Ford, eh? Okay.
Pickup. It's got a 52 Ford flathead.
Okay. I think I've seen this car be around. Have you showed it in other places?
Twice.
Oh, twice. Okay. Good stuff. She's right out of American Graffiti.
Almost.
Or the doors, the doors, the suicide doors. Is that the way they were built?
No.
Oh, okay.
Added feature.
Okay. How,
That's,
just for fun, or does it have any function? Or
no, just to be different.
oh, okay, okay, cool, very cool. What year's it for?
30.
30. Okay, yeah, they got a few Fords out there. Nice stuff.
Thank you.
This vet looks kind of sick in comparison to the other old classics, but hey, it's I guess it's a classic now.